Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey that will nourish your body, mind, and soul? Yoga and wellness are interconnected practices that promote holistic health and self-discovery. Imagine a retreat in the serene landscapes of Baja, Mexico, where you can immerse yourself in plant-based living. The Nourishing New Year retreat at Torpia Resort offers a perfect blend of yoga, wellness, and vegan principles. Yoga is an ancient practice that integrates physical postures, breath control, meditation, and ethical principles. It serves as an essential tool for women's wellness, helping them relax, feel empowered, and connect with others. Participants at the Nourishing New Year retreat embark on transformative journeys that celebrate sisterhood. Activities like whale watching, sound baths, and healing meditations create a unique environment for renewal. Holistic wellness emphasizes the interdependence of physical, mental, and social health. This approach advocates for proactive engagement in essential health practices and community connection. Vegan retreats focus on plant-based lifestyles, promoting health, sustainability, and holistic wellness. Situated in serene locations like Baja, Mexico, these retreats offer nourishing cuisine and wellness strategies. Attendees can enjoy yoga practices, healing meditations, workshops on plant-based nutrition, and more. The combination of yoga and wellness in vegan retreats creates a powerful synergy for overall health. These retreats foster a sense of community and empower individuals to embrace self-care. The mind-body connection is a crucial component of both yoga and wellness. Yoga practices at retreats foster mindfulness, promoting self-discovery and relaxation. Hatha and restorative yoga involve gentle movements and focused breathwork, enhancing physical sensations and emotions. Workshops on meditation and mindfulness further deepen this connection. A plant-based diet is fundamental at vegan retreats, offering healthy food that promotes wellness and vitality. Chefs incorporate whole grains, legumes, and seasonal produce, ensuring nutrient-rich meals. Cooking workshops and community meals deepen understanding of plant-based diets and forge lifelong friendships. Meditation and mindfulness support participants in their overall wellness journeys. Healing meditations like guided visualizations and body scan meditations encourage calmness and restoration. Mindful eating explores the connection between food and mood, enhancing physical health and mental clarity. Self-care and self-love are fundamental concepts emphasized at vegan retreats. Guided meditation sessions foster mindfulness and deep self-reflection, promoting self-acceptance. Yoga classes inspired by vegan themes enhance physical flexibility and emotional stability. Nature walks along the Pacific Ocean offer a serene environment for reflection and gratitude. Attending a vegan retreat offers numerous benefits, including improved physical health and emotional well-being. Participants experience personal growth through transformative journeys and community connection. Join us at the Nourishing New Year retreat in Baja, Mexico, and discover the power of holistic wellness.